What's up guys, NateVlog here. Welcome back to my channel. We're here in some garage in Gardena. Check this out. Look at that Lambo right there. You notice that the wire doesn't touch the body? You got a little rag there. Look at this place though, huh? Don't look at that. There's Mr. J.
Look at that little thing.
Look at that.
It's British.
Oh, just got on my way.
What's it say? I can't make it out.
Nissan Pal. It's
Wow.
Japanese.
Japanese. Yeah, it looks Japanese.
Classic Ferrari right here. Check this out. That's one of my favorites.
What size is this?
What's that? Charging the battery? Oh wow, look at this.
Look at
Working
this.
on it, huh?
They're working on it. Wow, look at this. You know, this was my dream at one time. Look, working on all these. Look at this one. Whoa. Wow.
It's the shell.
Mm-hmm. Look.
Oh, the windshield's in there.
Look at that.
What is this one?
Ooh, feel this body. Feel it.
What is this one?
This is a spider.
Oh.
British. Feel this. And this is either one. They're doing my car here. They're restoring my car.
Yeah, they're restoring it.
I'm not sure about the color I picked, but I'll do it. I'll live with that.
Are you sure you're gonna live with that?
Hmm?
The color though?
Feel the smoothness of this. Just feel that. Feel like. No, go like this.
Yeah.
Like this one though. That'd be a hard pick.
Yeah. I like this black one. The black Ferrari right there. Classic right there, yeah.
They're done.
This is a lot of work.
By the time they're done, it'll be worth over 100 grand.
Yeah.
That's what this place is.
Look at that one. And then you got this classic antique Bugatti.
Phil?
This is another one of my favorites right here. Look at this little Alfa Romeo.
See this guy? You see this guy Alfa Romeo?
A little small, yeah. This is it?
Yeah.
Westside
Do you need to
collector.
use the restroom? They got one.
Check out this C8 right here. Oh, look at that wing. Now that's a wing I'm talking about right there. Look at that. That's nice. Oh, this is the 06. Yeah, that's the new one.
I wonder which one's faster.
Look at that wing. I like that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. This is the winner right here. Beautiful. Well, that's our first adventure right there. Let's continue the vlog, right? Let's keep going. So, early car show morning. Yep. There you go. Something interesting, right? The garage. Wonder what Jay Leno thinks of that. I bet he has one of those, but extra large. All right, let's go next place. Okay, here we are, PV. We're back. All right, you ready?
I'm ready, huh?
Let's go check out this legendary spot here. Here we are, going off-roading now. Oh, Mr. J back there. There he is. Oh, I need some energy. I'm so tired. Where's my Red Bull? But yeah, just wanted to get that early car show going on. Saw it on Instagram, so yeah, big ups. That's different. So ended up here in PV. Of course, we always have to, right? So get ready for this. Here we go. Let me turn this around. Here we go. Whoa. Look at that.
Did we go down there? We've been down that road, right?
Probably.
We have to have been.
That's some view, huh? Look at this view here, incredible. Wow, look at this, look at this. Just thumbs up the video just for this, huh? Look at that trail right down there. See that? Hiking adventures. Can you do all that? Yeah, right. I'm good up here. Jay's good right there. Look, he's got his little bench there. He's chilling. Look at him. Just enjoying the view. Alright, well, he's got to come down here and take a thumbnail. So, okay, come here. Gotta get a thumbnail. Yeah, come here. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, come on.
You know why? Oh. Because you're here. I'm not kidding, Nathan. He was headed for you.
Here we go.
What's going on?
There you go.
Well, I really do need this now. Damn it.
Look at those birds.
Watch them. Who's? Yeah, it's just like. Oh.
Yeah. I'm trying to follow it.
Just like the plant, right? Jets.
Yeah, there they go. On here.
Stomach, chest, arms.
What
Stomach,
are you doing?
Chest, arms. Stomach, chest, arms.
Don't injure
Stomach,
yourself.
chest, arms. Stomach, chest, arms. You don't have to go to the gym.
Yeah.
Phil.
There you go.
Phil. Why am I in better shape? I'm 42 years older than you.
Alright, well, there we go. That's the best view here in PV, so let's continue. Where to next? Where are we going? Back to the car. Spontaneous, pretty much, adventure here. We're here at our next spot. Let's go check this one out. Yep, so we got some groovy cars this morning and some legendary views. What do you think about that adventure, huh? Alright, it's not over. Let's go. Come on. What's Mr. J doing? He's trying to get out of the car, huh? Come on. There he is. Taking his time. You ready? Oh. Butterfingers. Alright, come on. There you go.
This is where we used to go snorkeling back in the day.
What happened?
Back in the day, we used to hike down here and go snorkeling in here.
Oh.
I think this is it. If he wanted to, he could. Yeah, it's good. Wow.
I think a year ago, Michael and I came down here. Yeah, this was it. We hiked down here, all these rocks, and then the abandoned ship was over there.
Is this it?
Literally go down here and do all this. You have to do all of this.
No.
You have to go all the way and go across.
We're driving in.
You can't. They're all homes. You can't do that.
I don't care. We'll go behind the.
You can't do that.
We'll see.
You literally
They got a piece of wood.
have to keep going. Yeah. The shipwreck. So I'm gonna go to this rock and take a picture right here. So wish me luck on this. It's just right there. Just I'm gonna sit on that rock. Watch out for the little lizard. Little lizard. Little lizard. There he goes. But right here. Actually, this I think this is a trail down there. Go ahead. Take that picture. Look at that. Is it good?
Yeah. That's a good picture.
All right.
Come here. Here, I'll throw it to you.
No, 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 no. A little more off-roading here and see what's down. Oh no, that's not. No way, that's not a trail. Nope. No. See, yeah, you do have to go from over there. Yeah. There you go. That's the edge. All right, time to go back up. That's scary. We got our picture. Hopefully his finger's not in the way, right? He puts his fingers right there on the lens, and it's like, oh, guess we're taking a picture of that. Jeez, come on. So we'll see if it turned out all right. Well, there you have it. Big ups, everyone. Hope you guys dig this groovy vlog. South Bay all the way. So hit up my PayPal down below, description. That really helps my channel out. Cause yeah, we're saving all the way. So yeah. PV. Wow, incredible, huh? Always taking you guys to the grooviest, most exquisite destinations. Huh? All good? There you go.
Look at all this.
Yep, yep. Just looked at it, yep. Alright. Time to go eat. I'm starving. So, yeah. Next thing you'll see is the food, right? Yes, I think so. And you thought it was over. We're stopping again. Wow. Let's go check out what's over here. Watch out for snakes.
Yeah, I know. I know. Be careful.
You know they're in here.
Oh, look at this. Oh, they've taken that before, right?
Yeah, before.
I don't believe it. I get so many compliments and I found them trash.
Made it onto the trail. Alright. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I think it's over here. The ship.
Let's go over.
There's part of it right there. Right there. The SS Dominator.
Where? Which way?
Right there. Just straight down. Right there.
Straight down?
Right straight. Just yeah, it's right there.
I saw it back in '61.
Yeah?
Yeah, I was 6 years old.
You saw it there, right?
And none of this was here. I'll tell you right now. Could have bought this property for 50 grand.
Here.
Damn.
Because the fog.
Crash is like a car.
Yeah.
That wasn't a car.
It's not a car, it's a ship, alright.
It land.
Something about the fog made it sit there, okay?
Land.
Yep. There you go.
Land something. Oh god, now I'm gonna think about
You're gonna
this
think
all
about it. What
friggin'
is
day.
it?
Land.
There's a ship right there, okay?
No.
61. The fog got it.
Yeah, I know that. You know, we don't have fog like that
Yeah,
anymore.
you don't have fog like that anymore. Why didn't the lighthouse help it? You know the lighthouse we always go see?
Why didn't they save it?
Saint, what was it? Vincent?
Land.
Why didn't that help it out, huh? What's going on around here? So yeah, there you go.
They don't
We
call
found.
it the Titanic. It crashed in the ice caps. No, they don't call it that.
I'm trying to think of the word. What did it do? There's a bunch of rocks there, so can't say crash because, like you said, it's not a car. But yeah, anyways, there you go. Next thing you'll see is some food because we are hungry. Big ups all the way. Yep, you weren't expecting that, huh? You were expecting, oh, it's over, it's done. Nope. Always providing the best of the best content. It's called Ran Ashore. Ran Ashore. So yeah. Anyways, we had to think about that.